Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the code, now act. Scratch or copy the 16-character code exactly, then open your mobile browser and sign into Roblox. Once signed in, go to Roblox. com/redeem, this bypasses App Store purchase flows. Enter the code into the redeem field, then tap redeem. You should see a confirmation that credit was added to your Roblox balance. Make sure you spelled every character correctly, because one wrong letter can cause a failed redeem. Once your balance updates, you can convert it to Robux. Open the Robux purchase page on mobile or in the app, choose the package you want, and proceed to checkout. At the payment step, select Roblox balance as the payment method. This uses the redeemed card funds first. Confirm the purchase and wait for the transaction to complete. Your Robux total updates immediately. If you need to spread a purchase across balance and another method, make sure the balance covers part first, then follow the prompts to add a secondary payment. Finish by checking account settings, billing, or transactions to confirm the redeemed amount and the Robux purchase. If the code didn't work, double-check similar characters like 0 versus O or 1 versus I, and try retyping in a different browser tab or clearing cache. If you still see an error, take a clear photo or screenshot of the card or email and contact Roblox support with that proof. This ensures they can verify and help recover your funds quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.